Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this great opportunity, I will present and explain about the research variables and their types. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Camelia Alfianti from 5BA class English Department, State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya. First of all, I will explain what does research variables mean. Variable can be defined as someone's attributes or object that vary from person to person or from object to object. And also, variable can be defined as attributes from science or specific activities. Kerlinger said that variable is construct or assign behavior. As examples, degree of aspiration, income, education, social status, gender, work productivity, and others. Also, he explains that variable is behavior taken from different values. Hence, variables is something various. Kidder said that variable is a quality in which the researchers learn and make conclusions. Based on the definitions, we can conclude that research variables are attributes or behavior or values of people, object, or various activities determined by the researchers in order to get information about the research and get the conclusion. In general, there are 5 types of variables. First is independent variable, and there is dependent variable, moderator, intervening, and control variable. Independent variable is variable that stands alone and isn't changed by the other variables you are trying to measure. Independent variable causes a change in dependent variable. While dependent variable is the condition that you measure in an experiment. You are assessing how it responds to a change in independent variable, so it depends on the independent variable. Dependent variable also called the responding variable. I will give the example. In this example, we will research the relationship between service quality and customer loyalty, or the influence of service quality on customer loyalty. Service quality is independent variables as predictors. Will be influence the customer loyalty as dependent variable. Whether the customer will be loyal or not, it depends on the quality of service that given to customer. Depends on independent variable. Next is moderator variable. A moderator variable is a variable that affects the strength of the relationship between the dependent and independent variable. The strength of the relationship between independent and dependent variable may change depending on the value of the moderating variable. The fourth is intervening variable. Intervening variable, also known as mediator variable. It is a variable between the dependent and independent variable to explain why or how the relationship between variables occurs. The difference between mediator and moderating variables are mediator variables are variables that explain the correlation, while moderating affect the relationship between two variables. I will give example. We expect that the number of hours a student studies is related to their exam score. The more you prepare, the higher your score will be. But there are the moderator variable, that is IQ. A student's IQ level can change the effect that the variable hours of study has on the exam scores. The higher your IQ, the easier you will understand the material, so you just need fewer hours of study to do well on the exam. And there is also a mediator variable. Mediator variable which comes between the independent and dependent variables. The mediator is number of practice. In this example, the hours of study impacts the number of practice, which in turn impacts the exam score. The more hours a student studies, the more practice they will complete, and the more practice they complete, the higher the student's exam score will be. By adding the mediator variable, we explain the cause and effect relationship between the two main variables. And the last is control variable. A control variable is one which the researcher holds constant or controls during an experiment. It is also known as a constant variable. The control variables is used by researchers when conducting comparative research. Example, we will research the kind of education between senior and vocational high school influence the typing skills. So, senior and vocational high school is independent variable and the typing skills is dependent variable. We use control variable, that is the script. We use the same script in this research. The script as control variable. Okay, that's all about my presentation. Thank you for your attention and sorry for the mistaken. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.